Do you get nervous when speaking English at the airport?
Do you want to understand common airport conversations more easily?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about checking in, going through security, and boarding a flight.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their listening and speaking skills.
Let's get started. Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to Singapore.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Okay,
Great. Your bag is within the weight limit.
that's good.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is A12.
Thank you. What time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 9:15 a.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight. Please place your bag on the conveyor belt.
Okay?
Do you have any liquids or electronics?
Yes, I have a laptop.
Please take it out of your bag.
No problem.
Thank you. You may go through now.
Thank you.
Flight 203 to Singapore is now boarding.
Excuse me, is this the line for Flight 203?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Great job. You just listened to a real-life airport conversation in English.
Try listening again and repeat the sentences aloud.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
See you in the next lesson.
Happy English learning!